another episode of Crafting with Crystal. What are we making today?
Owl.
It's a paper owl! Yay!
And it's green and brown.
It's green and brown, and he has wings, really cool wings and little legs, and he can stand up on its own. Yeah? So we're making this today out of paper. Now I'm making one and Chase is making one, so you can see a kid actually make the craft. So he's going to demonstrate a child making the craft for you. So here's our little Mr. Owl. Hello. Hi, Chase. How are you? Okay, an owl is going to walk away. And we're going to start building our owl now. Okay, so this is Chase's piece of paper. And this is mine. Ooh, let's leave the owl here so you can see him. So you're just going to put some glue on your piece of paper, leaving about 1.5 inches and 1.5 inches from each of the sides. Very good, Chase. That's enough. All right, so Chase did a whole bunch of circles for me. Right? So I'm going to put glue on your paper as well. So this is our circle. So we've pre-cut so many circles. So this is mine, and this is Chase's circles here. Right? So we're going to show you how to build it now. Right? So I'm putting glue on my piece of paper, and I'm going to put glue on Chase's piece of paper as well for him. Right, my glue wasn't open properly there. About halfway up, and let's go, Chase. So then you grab one of these, and you're just putting it like this, and you're overlapping them. Right?
That's easy.
It's yes, it is. You see, Chase is saying, "Oh, that's easy." It's very easy. Once you've stuck your thing down, your feathers down, you're going to make sure that your owl can bend, and we're going to make it like this now, where we make it into a circle. Wait, yours not stuck down as yet properly, so let's do mine first and leave yours to stick down. In the meantime, you can keep pressing on yours to make sure it sticks down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue on the entire side of this, like this. Yeah, you can help me do it.
I'm putting some more circles. Woo.
Yeah, we're gonna put some more. Yeah, but we're gonna, and then so you put glue on the entire side. I'm not sure if you saw that because I was looking at Chase. And then you're gonna close it like this, right? And this is where close clips come in. You're gonna clip it to make sure that the glue sticks down properly, right? So I'm using about 4 close clips. Yeah, just now. We'll stick this one first because your one is still sticking now. Alright? I see this is our owl. So you're going to rest mine down, and we're going to do Chase's one now. So we have our owls drying. And while our owls dry, we're going to make the eyes, nose, wings, and feet. So you're going to leave them there drying, right?
The eyes, oh.
Yeah, the eyes, nose, wings, and feet. So I have pre-cut 2 eyes, right? The white, the black, and white, just 3. So I'm going to give Chase these, and then I'm going to make my own, right? So we have 2, 2, and 2. So what we're going to do is you're going to put some glue on the black.
Okay, put my glue
Yes, but don't put too much glue, okay? And just a dot of glue on this white here. Just a little dot. So we build the eyes, and now let me just show you how I'm going to do the wings and the feet. That's okay if you get a little glue on your hands.
Right into the...
Okay, so I am actually going to hand draw the wings and the feet. So it's very easy, it's not hard, okay? So keep pressing this down, right, Susie?
Mommy has crazy eyes.
Crazy eyes, yes. So basically, to do the wings, just like this, we're just going to do... Right, you're going to draw something that looks like this. It's very simple, and it's just like if you're drawing petals for a flower. So you're doing 4 and then join it, and the feet is literally this. What you can do if you want to for the feet is draw a circle and then do a line coming from the circle. All right, just now. We're not ready yet. Let it dry for you, sweetie. All right. So I am going to cut. Once I'm done this, we're pretty much done with all the parts and pieces that we need to build the owl. So we have 2 feet, 2 wings, and 2 eyes for Mummy's owl. And you want to show them what you have for yours? We have 2 eyes,
2 feet,
and
2 wings.
And 2 wings. So I think this is pretty much dry now. What I usually do, and what you're supposed, yeah, you can take it off, and what you're supposed to do is close the feathers here by joining. Let's leave this on yours, because yours taking a little longer to dry because of the type of paper it is. So we'll just leave this on yours so you can still stand it up, okay? That's funny. Right, so my owl stands, his own stands, right? I'm leaving the clip on his own because this paper takes a little longer to dry than this one. It's just a different type of paper that it is, right? So to get this on top here, we're going to show you. So what I was saying is that you can close, you see the back of my owl is perfectly closed for in the essence of time. You can go ahead and put glue here and stick it all and close it. But because we're running sort of low on time, I'm going to just show you how to do the front of the owl now. So take your owl like this, Chase, and you're going to press these parts together. So you're pressing this down. Press this down like this. So you're pressing it like down like that, yes. Right? And then you're pressing this part down like this, and then you're sort of joining them and making that, and it will stick, it will stick down for itself. And make sure you see, so that's how we got that part. How's yours doing? Doing well? Yes, you did it. Good job. You see, Chase did his own. I just helped him with folding out the first side, and he folded the second side. So our owl has the part on top there. So now we're gonna turn it like this. Leave this owl down here, and we're gonna install the rest of the parts of the owl. I'm going to show you how to install the legs now. So you're going to take this and then fold the little part up like this on both. right? Open it, put a little glue on the inside only. And then we're gonna fold some of these feathers up here and put one foot on one side like so, and use your little close clips to stick it down so it could stick. So let's hold it up for them. Hold yours up. Yeah, hold that one up for them. So you have 3 little owls. Chase is using his as a hat. We have 3 little owls that, you know, we've made ourselves. Chase is probably gonna put these up in his room on top of his chest of drawers or on top of his bookcase, I don't know. And we'll probably put one up in his little brother's room. And they're so cute and adorable, and it's just a really lovely craft. So thank you for joining us. My name is Crystal McEwen Best. This is my son Chase. I'm the creative director of House of Cards TT. And make sure and like and follow NALIS, Port of Spain Adult Library, Port of Spain Children's Library, and Port of Spain Young Adult Library. And stay crafty, my friends.